Most hardwood gym floors endure heavy use on a daily basis. It's important to take regular measures to increase their durability and to maintain their appearance. The best way to do so is with the Bona SuperCourt Athletic Floor Care System. In this video, we'll demonstrate the most efficient practices for maintaining your hardwood gym floors using Bona's effective and sustainable system. The first step of the cleaning process is to remove all dust and debris from the floor. Dusting should be performed daily in order to maintain non-slippery floors and minimize the risk of scratching the finish. For this step, use the Bona SuperCourt 60-inch mop and a clean Bona SuperCourt microfiber dusting pad. Attach the pole to the mop base, then lay the pad flat on the floor with the logo side up. Place the mop base on top of the pad to secure it before firmly attaching the front of the pad to the Velcro on the flared edge of the mop base. Start in a corner of the gym, working back and forth across the entire floor, slightly overlapping each pass, always going with the grain of the wood. Make sure that the flared edge of the mop always faces forward. While dusting, keep an eye out for tape, gum, sticky spills, or any other residue or debris. Remove everything you find. After dusting the entire floor, remove the pad from the mop base and take it outside. Shake it thoroughly to get rid of heavy dust and debris. We recommend laundering or vacuuming the dusting pad after each use. A dry dusting pad is reusable up to 300 times. When the dusting is completed, it's time to wet tack the floor using the residue-free Green Seal certified Bona SuperCourt cleaner and Bona SuperCourt microfiber cleaning pads. If in an area where snow, ice melt, or salts are commonly tracked in, we recommend using the Bona SuperCourt winter cleaner. Start by measuring the proper amount of cleaner using the Easy Tilt and Measure bottle. 2.5 ounces of concentrate yield 2.5 gallons of diluted cleaner. Take 2 clean Bona SuperCourt microfiber wet cleaning pads and submerge them into the bucket of diluted cleaner. Wring out slightly, then place one wet pad on the floor, logo side up, and attach the mop base. Wet tack the floor by working back and forth over the entire gym, slightly overlapping each pass, again going with the grain of the wood. Make sure that the flared edge of the mop always faces forward. After each down and back pass, switch out the pads. We recommend wet tacking the floor daily. A wet cleaning pad can be laundered and reused up to 300 times. Auto scrubbing is an important part in keeping hardwood gym floors in excellent condition and should be performed once a week. For this process, use clean, accurately sized Bona SuperCourt microfiber scrubbing pads. Check the drive plates on the auto scrubber to see what size pads you need. Bona's scrubbing pads come in 12, 13, and 20-inch sizes. Measure the proper amount of Bona SuperCourt cleaner concentrate using the Easy Tilt and Measure bottle. A 20-gallon auto scrubber tank will require 20 ounces of concentrate. To prepare the auto scrubber for cleaning, remove the drive plate guard and remove the pads currently on the machine. Red pads, while effective for resilient floor cleaning, are not recommended for hardwood gym floors, as they are an aggressive pad that can damage the finish. Once the red pads have been removed, place the Bona scrubbing pads directly under the drive plates. Then set the head pressure and liquid flow to the lowest possible settings. Begin auto scrubbing the floor, working back and forth across the gym, slightly overlapping each pass, going with the grain of the wood. When the pads get dirty, simply flip them over and use the clean side. Using an auto scrubber on a newly installed hardwood gym floor before it has been recoated is not recommended. Check your flooring manufacturer's warranty for recommended auto scrubbing maintenance guidelines. That does it for how to maintain athletic wood floors using the Bona SuperCourt Athletic Floor Care System. Remember that Bona's technical support is available for any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you for choosing the Bona SuperCourt system, the highest quality products in hardwood gym floor care.